Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. It's 2 minutes to 8 p.m. California time. Easter Sunday, 2023. This is my address to the world. To those of you who celebrate this day as when Jesus rose from the dead, cool. The important part of my message today is Poppy's got COVID. So does Poppy's wife and Poppy's stepdaughter. Poppy don't go nowhere except the doctor or the hospital. My stepdaughter got sick. She tested positive 4 times in a row one night. Wife and I tested negative. 2 days later, Poppy and Poppy's wife are sick. Of course, we had to wait another 3 days before we could try and get some brain tissue on the end of that testing supply, that sample testing torture device. And Poppy and Mrs. Poppy are positive. I've just spent 3 days with diarrhea that wouldn't stop, nausea that wouldn't let me eat, chills, fever, body aches would kill a freaking elephant, headache, a herd of elephants would die because of it. I got over the diarrhea by drinking a quarter bottle of Imodium. Oh, by the way, if you ever had Imodium AD, when it was that thick amber liquid, it burned all the way down and exploded like an atom bomb in your stomach, that tasted good compared to this green crap they call Imodium now. They had to put simethicone and chlorophyll in it. I think they were trying to kill off the brand because it is disgusting. It just about makes diarrhea seem the choice to go for rather than drinking Imodium. It's that freaking bad. Now, to the salient point of the message. All you filthy people out there who won't wear a mask, won't wear gloves, cough, get on the bus and cough and sneeze, no mask, no gloves, die! And get your germs away from me. I'm sick and tired of you people. COVID deniers. Oh, I can't breathe in the mask. Brush your fucking teeth. I'm serious. You don't want to protect yourself? Move to Idaho, live in a tent, don't go to the hospital. The bears, the wolves, and the coyotes will take care of your dead ass. And you won't cost me anything. Because the government won't have to pay to try and make you healthy when you don't deserve it. So, happy Easter to all you good people out there and people who won't wear a mask. And if you haven't been vaccinated, you deserve to be dead already. Happy Easter.